Hello guys, hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? It has been a long time. Hello my beautiful people. Wow, today guys I'm going to be making Bobosi, which is, we call it cassava. As you can see, this is my cassava. I just bought it on my way coming from work, so I decided to use it as a cassava. You know, this cassava we used to eat in Africa, you know guys, with cocoa guys. So I also buy cocoa too. So I just decided to let me try this, let me check if I can still make it. We call it Bobosi. So those of you who are nation or you will know what they call this. This is Bobosi. So and I decided to make it. Let's see, because my children have not ate any of this. So I told them one day that there's one day I'm going to make them one Africa food. And they said, what kind of African food is that? I said, don't worry, one day and I will make it so you guys will see it. You will like it also. They say, mama, okay, so you will do it for them, you will do it for us to eat. I said, okay, don't worry, I'm going to do it today. I decided to do it now. This is my cassava. You can see I just bought it. So and I'm going to peel the pear, and after that I'm going to cut it little by little and I boil it in the fire. Okay guys, and this is the cocoa. Stay tuned and start watching. And if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel Purity Chas, please do me a favor by liking my video, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, so that anytime, any day I upload any video, you will be the first to notify guys. Thank you and God bless you, my old returning subscriber, my returning people. God bless you all. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and like, so that anytime you will see my updates guys. Okay, keep watching and stay tuned. Let's make this cassava together. We call it Bobosi, Nesaland, and it's very sweet, one of the best food I love so much guys. So I'm going to try if I can still make it the way that we used to do it in Africa then guys. Stay tuned and let's make it together guys. Okay, so this is my knife. I have my knife here, so I'm going to peel it first, and after that, stay tuned. So guys, you can see I am done peeling it, so I'm going to slice it little by little. And also you can still boil it like this. After peeling the back, you can still boil it like this before you slice it, or you can cut it like this and boil it. It all depends how you want it guys. Okay, so let's go there. Let's slice it now guys. Okay, so guys, this is it. So as you can see, I am through in slicing it. So the next thing I'm going to do guys, I'm going to wash it and cook it. Okay guys, I'm going to wash it and I cook it. So guys, you can see, so I just want to put a little bit of salt, okay guys, to cook the cassava. So this is salt. So guys, so what the next thing we are going to do now, I'm going to peel off my cocoa, so I'll slice it in my bowl also. Okay, Okay guys, watch and let's do this together. So, and this is my cocoa. Okay guys, so I'm going to slice it also. Guys, you can see I'm done is cutting my cocoa, as you can see. So I just put it inside the water. So as you can see guys, so we are waiting for our cassava to get cooked. So guys, you can see I just removed it from the fire. So let's check. Yeah, this is my Bobosi. I can't wait guys. I can't wait. Oh wow, this is so good, man. Wow. Oh, this is my Bobosi, guys. Oh, see, my Bobosi is ready, guys. Wow, this is so nice. Wow. So guys, you can see my Bobosi is ready, guys. So, and this is my cocoa, guys. Wow. Please guys, tell me what you think about this Bobosi, and drop your comments in the comment section below, guys. Wow, I will surely get back to you guys. Tell me how you like, how you see this Bobosi, guys. Okay, thank you guys. So guys, you can see this is my Bobosi. This is the outcome of it. So you can see it's ready to eat, guys. So this is it. Okay guys, it is done. This is cocoa and this is my cassava, which is Bobosi, guys. I also have another one here in the other plate. So come, let's eat together, guys. You are going to like it. And my children have gone to school, so I'm going to do a surprise to them when they come back. They are coming back later, guys. I'm going to surprise them. I'll ask them. This is the African food I asked you guys I'm going to make one day, and this is it. I don't know if I can do a video for them if they are eating it. I'll see if they like it or if they know how to eat it, guys. So watch out, okay? Watch out part 2 of this video, because my children, I don't think they have not ate it before, so their first time of this. So I think I will make another part 2 video of it, how they see it and how they eat it, if they like it or not, guys. I'm going to do another video for that, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Please like and share. Drop your thoughts at the comment section. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to Purity Charles. Subscribe. I see you on my next video, guys. Bye. You know what they are calling this? This is yuca. This is yuca, which is cassava. You see it? As you can see, guys, I told you guys that my children, they haven't eaten it before. Their first time. You see the way they are looking at the something. You see? Oh my God.
Mami, esto es cassava.
Pruébalo. Sí, es cassava.
¿Y esto?
Está bien.
Esto.
You see the way they are putting it in their mouth. Very sweet, eh? Can you take on your stuff? Very sweet. Come.
¿Lo has probado? Esto es cassava. ¿A ti te gusta?
Yo le estoy
¿Sabe cómo?
coco.
No. Muy sabe como...
You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press on to the get our notification. Now, if you dey go, thank you. I love ya.